We're going to show you a demo of our excellent platform, VinePost. This product is designed to let you post pictures and videos to all of your social media channels from a single window. Not only that, but you're also going to be able to get actionable insights into what types of posts are resonating best with your various audiences and where in the world your social media followers are based. Let's give you a brief rundown on the platform itself. When you first log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which primarily shows you a brief glimpse into the week's activities and how well your posts are performing. From there, you'll have the opportunity to create posts. Here's how to do it. First, click on Create Content on the top right-hand side of your screen. Choose New Post. A window will appear, and you can simply give this a brief name for your calendar. We'll call this Wine Wednesday as an example. Now, choose which platforms you want to send to. Most use channels like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, Twitter, but you can also post to Pinterest, YouTube, and YouTube Shorts, Google Business Profiles, and more. For videos, you can post to all of the platforms, while pictures or carousels currently can't be sent to YouTube or TikTok. Next, choose whether or not you want to post a picture, a carousel, or a video. You can also pull content from a website if you needed to. Now, you'll have the ability to put captions to this content. The great part about this is each platform's audience responds differently with each social media channel. For example, Facebook doesn't use hashtags and Instagram does. Threads has a shorter character limit and Instagram has a longer one. During the creation of a caption, you can turn on the toggle for platform-specific captions. This allows you to quickly take a caption you wrote and easily adapt it for each platform in seconds. Now, you can write a caption, or you could also use our helpful AI tools to assist with writing a nice caption for you by simply giving it a prompt or something to start with. You can also ask for help with emojis and hashtags that it can recommend using. When you're generating AI captions, there are no limits to the amount of time you can use this tool, nor any AI credit limits. Ask for multiple AI caption examples to choose from, and choose the best ones. You can also edit them after the AI caption generation has been completed. Now that your caption is written, you're almost ready to schedule this post. Choose whether or not this content needs to be approved by someone else, for example. If you are working as an agency for a client and need their approval, you can easily and seamlessly send them an approval through a link. They don't even need to have a login. They can't make any changes, but they can type in feedback for you. You'll also notice a field for recycling content. We'll talk more about this in the scheduling section of the platform. However, this toggle allows you to have a post go out again in the future after a few months or so. This is valuable because when you post to social media, on average, only about 10% of your followers will see the post. So posting it again in a few months will ensure more of your followers and non-followers get exposure to the same content that they missed the first time. Good examples of what can be recycled are pieces of evergreen content, things that will never go out of date, such as features about your location, your products, and something that makes your brand special. Once you're ready to post it, either schedule it for a future time or post it now. Now that we've shown you the dashboard and how to post, let's quickly go through the menu on the left-hand side. The content library is where you will see all content that you have created. This includes past posts and upcoming posts and posts that haven't been approved. The approvals area is where you can create an approval request. Once you have created content and have it scheduled, you can add the post into an approval request. You can then send this request to whomever on your team or to your clients that need to give feedback or issue an approval. This is by far one of the easiest ways to get approved content because the other doesn't need to log in, and it will try to recognize the users who are commenting on the content. If they have a login and have logged into VinePost recently, then they will be able to access the approval screen and it will include their name as the one making feedback or approval. If they don't have a login, it will just show as anonymous. If a post is scheduled but not approved in time, that post will be skipped and you'll be able to reschedule it and post it later that day or on another day once you do get approval. When you look at past approvals, you'll be able to see if all of the items have been approved or only some, giving you a clear idea of how to follow up with your team. The recommendations section allows you to get content either from your own accounts from before you had VinePost or content from others who are posting about your products. This gives you a fast, easy way to obtain user-generated content if they mentioned your brand and posted pictures of it. When you obtain content through here, you actually are able to replicate their entire post, caption, image, and hashtags. Then you'll want to adapt it and make it your own. Also in the recommendations area, you can look up stock images with our Pexels integration. This lets you obtain royalty-free imagery on any topic you wish. This allows you to create a decent post if you're just not sure of what to share or don't have any images of your own yet. Just search the topic and you're good to go. The auto import section allows you to pull images from an RSS feed or a Google Drive folder. We can help you set that up when you sign up for VinePost. Next, the Schedules section allows you to set up weekly calendars, which are intended for regular weekly features you do. It serves as a helpful reminder of what to post on a specific day of the week. This is an optional feature, but helpful to keep you organized and keep your audience knowing what to expect. The drip schedule is where recycling comes into play. This tool allows you to control the cadence or frequency of when posts you've shared in the past get recycled. You can see the selection of months here. Depending on your audience size, you may want to lengthen the amount of time between recycled versions of a given post. Usually you'll want to start out with the 3 or 4 month mark, unless you have a smaller audience around 100 followers on your social media channel. The beauty of this is you can post, recycle the post again, and VinePost is automatically filling in the amount of content going out after a few months for you, so it's posting things you've already approved. It's going to new audience members who haven't seen your content before, and you're extending your reach. The calendar is where you will see all of the posts you have scheduled. There's color coordination here for posts that were skipped due to not being approved yet, or were sent out successfully. For upcoming posts, you can even drag and drop the posts so that they go out on the day and time that you want. Sometimes plans change, so having an easy way to reorganize your post will save you so much time. The activity feed lets you see all of the activity going on, comments, likes, shares, and more. Manage your direct messages for your Instagram and Facebook accounts here, see where others have mentioned you, and use our social listening tools with Instagram and Threads to see what popular topics are being discussed with your specific search results. The social inbox allows you to see and respond to all direct messages from Facebook and Instagram, and even assign certain direct messages to members of your team on VinePost. Analytics are where you can really benefit from actionable insights from the VinePost platform, and it makes it so much easier to see what types of posts are resonating best with your audiences across each unique social media channel, and when the best times to post are for your specific brand. Some competing platforms give you a recommended best time to post, but that's based on generic benchmarks and not showing you the results for your own social media accounts. This tool is powerful to help you see the demographics of your followers, where in the world they're located, gender, age groups, your most popular hashtags you've used that got you the most exposure, and more. The reports area will allow you to see most of everything in the analytics section. If you're an agency, you can send reports to your clients however frequently you want, and you can also see the social media conversions to website visitors and see a glimpse of their behavior once they get to your website. VinePost is a powerful solution for anyone who wants to save several hours each month and get amazing tools that others charge $300 each month per seat. Have questions? Let us know.